Hi, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to organize your iPhone home screen and app. Start by organizing your apps based on usage. Move the most frequently used apps to the tray for easy access. Press and hold an app to move it around on the screen. For example, place the phone app on the left side for convenient one-handed operation. Position WhatsApp on the right side for quick messaging. Next, let's group similar apps together for better organization. Create a folder named Finance and place all financial apps like PhonePe and banking apps inside it. To do this, press and hold an app, then drag and drop it into the appropriate folder. Similarly, create a folder named Google and add all Google apps to it. Bring the most frequently used apps back to the home screen for easy access, such as YouTube. Long pressing on an app allows you to access specific features directly from the home screen. For example, long pressing on the YouTube app enables you to search, subscribe, or open shorts directly. The available options may vary depending on the app. Remember to watch a video tutorial for further assistance and more details on these features. We'll discuss all of these in our next video. By following these simple steps, you can easily give your device a new and updated look. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks.